Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Meg and today's main character is Kiwano. It's one of our gorgeous bluey green jelly shades in the jelly range that we offer. Absolutely stunning if you want to do anything ocean vibes, sea vibes or sky. It's absolutely perfect. So for today's tutorial, obviously we are now entering the episode 3 to my ocean series, and today I thought we would use some foils just to show you how easy they are to use, and also a couple of different colours, including Kiwano as our base. So to begin the design, I'm going to do 2 coats of Kiwano all over the nails and making sure to cure them for 60 seconds in between each layer. Then I've got my foil kit here. This is freaking adorable. I bought this the other day. On our website you can find tons of different foils, but this one really stood out to me just because I love fishes, ocean, everything like that, as we already know. So I picked it and I'm really happy. I just cut off a little piece of foil to roughly fit the nail, and then I'm just gonna simply pop it down after putting a layer of my foil glue on and curing that. So now that that is cured, I just place this foil down on the nail, back to front. So you want to place the foil down on the side that doesn't have the pattern. I know it feels a bit wrong, but that is the way to do it. And then just use any kind of, silicone tool or anything you've got to hand to press it down onto the nail, and that will help to transfer the pictures onto your nail. Once you've done that and you're happy, feel confident with the fact that it's all on, you can then simply just peel it off, and there's your design. If there's any little pieces missing, which can often happen, sometimes certain areas stick better than others, you can just go back in again with a different bit of foil and a different bit of pattern, and then just pop it down again and it should stick nicely. So here I'm just adding a couple of extra pieces because I just felt like that would look cute. Filling it up a little bit, doesn't have to be too neat, as with this design towards the end, look how cute that little starfish is. With this design, I am going to do some white cutouts that looks kind of like sea bubbles, like, what would you even call them? Like in the whitewash of the water, you get that foam. That's it, sea foam. That was kind of my idea, was to do a really enlarged version of that. So anyway, I have picked a different roll of foil here just for some different fishes, different kind of patterns, because I didn't want them to be all the same. But let me know in the comments so far if you are quite interested in this, and if you like the foils, because I guarantee you've not seen these on the website yet. I hadn't until like a couple of weeks ago, and yeah, I was like, why do I not have these? So yeah, I took them home with me. So yeah, let me know in the comments anyway if you think they're really cute, or if you don't really care. I like them anyway. I think they're really sweet. They're very well priced as well. I think you get, is it 8 or 6 foils, I can't remember, for just under £10. It's like £9.99, so really good. And you get a lot from each roll as well, which is handy. So I'm just going to keep placing on bits here where I need it, and until I'm happy. And then once I've done that, I just give it a little extra cure. You don't need to, but it's just my head, I feel like I need to. But yeah, it's really simple. Just place on what you want, then you're simply just gonna either leave it as it is, which I could have done, or you're gonna do your design. But anyway, here is the 2 nails that I had done already. They look really sweet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 3 nails now. Just picking different sections of the foil that I saw and I thought that looked cute, and it complemented the other nails really well. So that's kind of where I'm going with this now. Okay, so this is how they look finished without any top coat on or any extra design. Let me know in the comments if you would wear these as they are currently. And let's move on to the next section. So what I'm doing now is I'm just popping, I believe, a top coat or a base coat. No, top coat I've put on here. And this is just because I wanted to show you exactly how they looked after. And then I'm going to go in now with Snow White after buffing the top coat slightly, just to make sure that my pattern and my lines were going to be really crispy sharp. I do find that buffing the nail before you do a pattern can really help just the lines to really sit nice and neatly. But you do want to buff really well so that there's no fine lines in the nail, because then the gel can slightly bleed into those nails, which is not good because it won't give you a crisp line. So again, without rambling too much, I did put the top coat on, then I cured it, and then I've gone in with my buffing block and buffed it really well, just to give me a really nice clean base to draw my very zoomed in Seafoam. I got the word right this time. I just thought this would add a little something to the nails. Obviously I've showed you how you could do it for more of a beginner level, and then if you're quite good with your line work and you're feeling more confident, you can then add this on, and I think this looks really effective at the end. Obviously you've probably seen the thumbnail now, so you already know how they're going to look, but yeah, give it a thumbs up if you like them, and thank you again for watching my video. I'm going to continue to draw these white lines on, and I'll be back just before I finish. Right guys, we are just putting our final layer of top coat on. How gorgeous does this look? I honestly think that the little white segments on it really do add to that sea effect, because if you know the sea and you know the ocean, you know that whitewash, the sea foam, it gives that kind of vibe, or even coral pieces. So yeah, I just thought that would add a really nice bit of depth to the pattern, and yeah, it just finished really well. So please let me know in the comments what you think. Always drop a comment. I love your feedback. It really helps me for future videos. And if you haven't already subscribed, then definitely hit the button, because there's plenty more videos to come from me and the team. And yeah, I just love doing these sets. So keep an eye out for episode 4. That is going to be a very dramatic 3D nail design using our 3D sculpting gel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.